এতক্ষণ তাহলে কি অরণ্যের রোদে? প্রীতি তো মহাবদমা, প্রীতি বলে না কেন? এতক্ষণ শুধু শুধু বললাম আমি। স্নেহা,
Yes, sir.
আর দেখতে পাচ্ছিলে না, বলো নি কেন? হুম, এখন দেখা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, sir.
হ্যালো,
Yes, sir.
ওকে। মানে কিছুই হয়নি, এতক্ষণ যা বললাম সব মাথার উপর দিয়ে চলে গেল। প্রোটিন অ্যান্ড অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড, জাস্ট রিভিউ। protein and amino acid. Susmita, be careful. Listen, देखो, this is the normal protein. And after that, heat, acid or salt. So acid, salt দেওয়া যেতে পারে, but acid never use. But in case presence of acid, the heat coagulation test and the protein precipitation test, basic base acid, base or alkaloid solution you can use. It is denature. But generally, in case of heat, there is no problem. Sometimes also protein will be, after heat, it will be degraded and their biological activity will be lost. But sometimes not lost. Say for if the normal protein is converted to denatured proteins. Say for example, this is the example. In case of egg, unboiled egg which are boiled, that is the food value is the same and easily digestible. It is nothing but the denature of protein. This higher protein is converted into a lower, that means quaternary structure or tertiary structure is converted to primary structure. That means primary, that means quaternary, that means secondary, twofold, threefold or fivefold. This higher or complex compound digested much more energy, much more enzyme is required, but the lower, the primary structure can be very easily, তাই না? যেমন প্রাইমারিতে পড়া বেশি সোজা, দেন দ্য হায়ার, যদি হায়ার লেভেলের ডিগ্রি, হায়ার মাস্টার ডিগ্রি, তাহলে সেক্ষেত্রে প্রবলেম বেশি। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই দিস ইজ দ্য কনসেপ্ট, ইট উইল বি কনভার্টেড ইন্টু হায়ার টু লোয়ার, হায়ার টু অ্যান্ড লোয়ার। তো প্রবলেম, হায়ার টু লোয়ার কোথায় গেল? আসেনি, higher to lower in the version. And how to protein synthesize in the body. This is not your syllabus, but I think this will be know that how to syllabus. There are 7 steps is required for the synthesis of protein in the body. And all this structure and all these protein composed by the instruction of the DNA. What is the DNA? Where it is present? It is present inside the cell of the nucleus, and the DNA is the molecule which is the reserve bank of genetic information. This DNA is converted to mRNA by the process of transcription, and DNA to DNA, it is the process of replication, and mRNA to protein, that is called translation or protein synthesis. And how it will be from DNA to mRNA, that is messenger RNA, that message which type of protein to be synthesized, and this message going to the ribosome, which is the factory house for the protein synthesis, which is present inside the cell, and that is contain 2 subunit. One is the 70s, another is 80s in case of eukaryotics, in case of prokaryotics 70s, and another also 2 subunit of 70s, 30s and 30s and 50s, and in case of eukaryotic it is 80s, 40s and 60s. So in case of ribosome, after that this mRNA will become, then the amino acid to carry out by the tRNA. এই যে amino acid carry out by the tRNA, if you any type of deficiency, suppose you do not take the abundant amount of amino acid, যে 300 amino acid বলছিলাম এভরিডে অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড ফ্রি থাকে, যদি কম পড়ে যায়, ধরো যে টিআরএনএ চাইছে, যে অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিডটা চাইছে সেটা সাপোজ এখানে এলো না, তাহলে কি হবে? তারপরের অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড এসে যাবে এবং তার ফলে এই যে প্রোটিনটা তৈরি হবে, যে ডিজায়ার যে সিকোয়েন্সটা চাইছিলে সেটা হবে না, তারপর একটা ফল্টি প্রোটিন উইল বি ফর্ম, অ্যান্ড দেয়ার ইজ এ প্রবলেম ইন দ্য ফিউচার, লাইক এ মেটাবলিক ডিসঅর্ডার or like a cancer or like a life-threatening disorder. So these are the 7 steps for involved for the protein synthesis of human body. Each and every protein synthesized by this procedure. And the protein amino acid, this is the structure of amino acid, and aspartic acid. Those structure last class I discussed, so that's why I skip it, and very slow, fast, and otherwise I discuss slowly in the new topics. The amino acid structure, aspartic acid and glycine, and the phenylalanine. And another is the glycine. It is a very important. It is the smallest structure of amino acid, but it is not a chiral compounds or the asymmetric carbon atom, because the H is contain H and H, no, their carbon contain no for different atoms or groups of atoms. Okay, atoms or groups of, that's why it is optically inactive. Only the glycine, you can write down this, only the glycine is the optically inactive, and other are all the amino acids, other 19 amino acids which are optically active, and levorotatory are the physiologically active, not the dextrorotatory. Okay, we remember it or write down this. What are the function, or what are the proteins? Large molecule and made up of the chain of the amino acid are found in the every cell in the body, just like it is just like a necklace. One bead is attached with another bead, another by the peptide or by the disulfide linkage are involved. The most of the body function and life process, their sequence of amino acids is determined by the DNA. So DNA is the actually main factor or initiator, main and a controller of the body, though by this instruction of the DNA produce the different types of proteins in the body. And what are the structure made up of this peptide? And few are the 50 amino acid and dipeptide, 2 amino acid, tripeptide, 3 amino acid, polypeptide, more than 10 peptides, and protein which is more than 50 amino acid. That means a protein is a polymer of polypeptides. Polypeptides is more than 10 amino acid. Be careful. Dipeptide 2, 3, polypeptide more than 10. And when they combine together of different polypeptides to form a protein, at least minimum quantity of amino acid is 50. And typically 100 to 10,000 amino acid linked together and chain are the synthesized based on the specific double DNA, and amino acid has composed the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, sulfur, and phosphorus sometimes. And this is the structure between the carbohydrate, lipid, and the protein. This is the structure of carbohydrate, glucose units, lipid in the fatty acid and glycerol, and protein basically amino acid. That means carbohydrate composed of the different monosaccharide, but protein also different amino acid, but only amino acid. But lipid is the fatty acid with triglycerol, or glycerol with fatty acid. So these are the basic correlation between the fats, proteins, and the carbohydrates. And this is the anatomy of amino acid. This is the amino acid structure. Aspartic acid, glutamic acid, already discussed. And peptide bond linked to the amino acid, because this amino group of one amino acid or acidic group of one amino acid linked to the another group of amino group of another amino acid. Means one group, acidic group of one amino acid linked to the amino group of another amino acid. Ultimately COH2 is released and CONH for peptide bond form, and formed through the condensation. By this process we can remember it, which process it is called, the condensation process. COO plus NH2 equal to CONH and release water and broken through the hydrolysis. And the condensation of the hydrolysis, the amino acid 1 and amino acid 2, by the condensation the peptide bond is formed. This is a very common reaction, and you can remember it for their examination. This is very important. Amino acid 1 and amino acid 2, there the COH, here is the NH2, HOH reaction করে H2 হলো, পড়ে থাকলো দেখো only remaining the CONH. Now HOH, you can remember HOH, just a very simple reaction, you can remember it. HOH release H2O, then NHCO or CONH. That's why CONH is the peptide bond. Another dipeptide, in case of hydrolysis, the one amino acid, another amino acid will be formed. Suppose a formation, this is called the dipeptide, and dipeptide on hydrolysis, their condensation, their formation of peptide bonds. But after hydrolysis of dipeptide, their formation of 2 amino acid, or tripeptide, after hydrolysis, their formation of 3 amino acids. Essential and non-essential and conditional amino. Essential must be consumed in the diet, non-essential can be synthesized in the body, and conditional cannot be synthesized due to the illness or lack of necessary precursors, but premature infant lack sufficient enzymes needed to create a arginine. And arginine is the amino acid which is very conditional. Sometimes actually in the case of children it is needed, but after that it will be not required. And the structure of protein, actually the protein structure classified in the level of structure, মানে as per the level, actually all protein are the same, but the level is the different. যেমন different version of car, দেখো গাড়ির বেসিক মডেলটা সেম থাকে, তারপরে তার সঙ্গে কিছু অ্যাডিশন করা হয়, বা কম্পিউটারের ক্ষেত্রে কারো ক্ষেত্রে অ্যাডিশন করা হয়, এই যে অ্যাক্সেসরিজ গুলো, তার ফলে লেভেলটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাচ্ছে। ধরো দিস ইজ দ্য বেসিক ভার্সন অফ কার, তারপরে তার সঙ্গে ধরো আরো একটু বেশি করে মডিফিকেশন হয়, তারপরে নেক্সট ভার্সন, next model. These are the 4 level of structure in case of protein. First is the primary structure, Susmita, secondary structure, and the tertiary structure and quaternary structure. Primary means this is the linear in structure. This is the simplest structure of the protein. And after that, the simplest structure is converted some folding or some coiling, that is called the secondary structure. After some secondary compound attached with another secondary into that another two, that means 3 secondary structure, it forms a tertiary, then another 4 secondary structure, it will be converted to quaternary, or the 4 primary structure, it will be converted into a quaternary structure. Any alteration in the structure or sequencing changing in the shape and the function of the protein. Actually, why are needed this? Actually, the same is compound, but why the needed? Why the actual basic structure and joining is the same, peptide or disulfide, but why it is secondary and tertiary and quaternary? Basically, for sequencing the change for the shape and function of the protein. Be careful, the basic change to change the shape and the function of the protein. That's why it is the requirement of the body. That's why it will be changed. Denaturation, alteration of the protein is protein shape and its function through their use. Number by which will be denatured. Number 1, heat, acid, base, salt, or mechanical agitation. You can change the higher to lower. And primary structure is unchanged by denaturation. Never primary structure will be changed. Only you can change higher to lower. That means quaternary to primary, quaternary to tertiary, tertiary to secondary, or quaternary to primary, or tertiary to primary, or secondary to primary. But never change primary to amino acid. It is very tough by denaturation, but on hydrolysis it will be changed. By denaturation, only the higher protein converted to lower. That means highest quaternary to primary. Clear? So this is the denaturing of the protein, the normal protein, and heat, acid, salt, they are the denature of protein. That means the single protein will become, or straight chain will become. They are the very, very complex form, quaternary or tertiary structure, that will form a primary structure. Just quick view, there are no need. Next, protein digestion. Actually, it will be discussed in the protein metabolism, but today we discuss the protein digestion. What is protein? You take the amino acid polymerization, but after administer, after taking the protein, what types of happening, or how to digest in the protein? First, mouth or salivary gland, mechanical digestion. That's why the chewing is very important. Mechanical digestion and protein being with the chewing, tearing, and mixing food with salivary juice to form a bolus. It is very important. That's why when you take the foods must be chewed, otherwise it will form. That's why your teeth is needed for crushing and grinding to bigger particle to smaller particle to help the better absorption, better digestibility, and better absorption. Finally, actually তুমি একটা বড় যে কোনো জিনিস খেলে সেটা ডাইজেস্ট করা যত টাফ, তার থেকে যদি ছোট ছোট পার্টিকেলে দাও তাহলে দ্যাট উইল বি বেটার। নেক্সট, ইন দ্য কেস অফ স্টোমাক, অনলি দ্য হাইড্রোক্লোরিক অ্যাসিড ডিনেচার দ্য প্রোটিন। অ্যাসিড বললে ডিনেচার প্রোটিন, আদারওয়াইজ হয় মানে তার মানে কাঁচা খেলেও কি হবে, ডিনেচার হয়ে যাচ্ছে। আর তুমি এটা ডিনেচার করে পাঠাচ্ছ, তাহলে দেয়ার ইজ নো, আই থিঙ্ক দেয়ার ইজ নো প্রবলেম অ্যারাইজেস। বলে যে কাঁচা খেলে বেশি এনার্জি পাবে, আদৌ ভুল কথা। কারণ কি, কাঁচাটা খাওয়ার পরে ইট উইল বি কন্ট্যাক্ট উইথ দ্য হাইড্রোক্লোরিক অ্যাসিড and denature the protein and activate the pepsinogen to pepsin, and pepsin breaks the polypeptides chain into the smaller polypeptides. That's why protein is converted to polypeptide, polypeptide to another peptide, and finally the amino acid will become for the absorption, which will occur in the intestine. In the small intestine, First, in the stomach, the pepsin, we remember it, and the enzyme pancreatic enters the small intestine and continue to cleavage of the peptides bond and resulting in the dipeptide, tripeptide, and single amino acid. And finally, the small intestine lining could be the greater surface area or greater windows for absorption of this area, dipeptides or tripeptide on the surface of the small intestine, and cell finish the digestion of yield a single amino acid which can be absorbed. Actually, this our main motto is that for digestion, not only the protein, other food also, you take a bigger particle or protein that will convert it to amino acid. So, and with the help of enzymes in the different stage in the stomach and the intestine or in the large intestine, finally the undigested material which is excreted in the form of stool. So in that case, if the better grinding by the teeth, then you go to the stomach, and finally intestine and small intestine, all the protein, all the carbohydrate, all the lipid is converted in a smaller particle and it will be absorbed very fast, and whole 100% will be absorbed. If they take not digested or if they are bigger particle, then there are problem of indigestion, and that is the basic cause of the indigestion due to overtaking of food. Amino acid absorption, then all the protein is converted to either different types of amino acid, and these amino acid are absorbed in the small intestine. Amino acid are transported to the liver for the intestine via the portal vein, and the liver amino acid are used to synthesize a new protein. This free amino acid which goes to the liver, and this liver utilize this free amino acid and formation of a new protein if needed, and obviously this instruction coming from the DNA and convert to energy. Some protein also, some amino acid which is converted to energy, glucose and the fats, and released in the bloodstream, transported to the cell and throughout the body, and occasionally protein are absorbed in the intact form. Amino acid metabolism, the topic, and protein synthesis. This is the steps I discussed elaborately in morning. This is the step: DNA to mRNA, mRNA to tRNA, then tRNA. Actually, tRNA for track, they carry the amino acid as per the sequence of amino acid. This mRNA actually messenger RNA, the message which type of sequence, which type of amino acid sequence. That suppose in case of mRNA, first is the methionine. So obviously this track, this tRNA carry methionine, then arginine, then arginine, then cysteine, then cysteine. So এই রকম করে একের পর methionine, arginine and cysteine continuously যেমন instruction দেওয়া হবে এই mRNA-টাকে as per genetic code, as per the code they will produce this type of sequence. If at that time tRNA not carry the definite or specific type of amino acid, then the next amino acid will come and there is a missing of this sequence, and finally there is a problem in different types of disorder or in the different types of genetic disorder, as well as the metabolic disorder, as well as the life-threatening disorder, even cancer, even sickle cell anemia. Say for example, in case of sickle cell anemia, sick or RBC will be formed. How it will be formed? Generally, this hemoglobin contain 11 amino acid. In the position number 6, generally glutamic acid is present, but due to the mutation or more misreading, this glutamic acid is replaced by the valine. Just actually এর কোডটা নিয়ারেস্ট, খুব কাছাকাছি কোড, জাস্ট 3 নম্বর কোডের একটা ডিফারেন্স আছে। দ্যাটস ওয়াই মিস্টেক করে যদি কোনো কারণে গ্লুটামিক অ্যাসিডের জায়গায় ভ্যালিন হয়ে যায় তখনই সিক হয়ে যায়। কিন্তু দেখো 11টা ছিল, 11টাই রয়েছে, বাট 11 6 পজিশনে থাকবে। তার মানে ইন কেস অফ প্রোটিন নট অনলি দ্য নাম্বার বাট অলসো দ্য সিকোয়েন্স একেবারে হুবহু যেমনটা বলা হয়েছে, যেমন তোমাদের স্ক্রিনে যেরকম দেখছিলাম 4টে ছেলে মেয়ে যেমন বসে রয়েছে সেই রকমই থাকতে হবে। আদারওয়াইজ ইফ দ্য সিকোয়েন্স উইল বি চেঞ্জ বাট নাম্বার ইজ দ্য ফিক্সড, but there is a problem. So in case of sickle cell anemia, just the glutamic acid is replaced by the valine in the position number 6 due to mutation. Another is the deamination. What is the deamination? That is removal of amino group from the proteins or formation of ammonia. This is called the deamination. It will be discussed in case of details in the case of metabolism of protein. So metabolic fate of amino acid, finally the amino acid pool amino acid pool, all the free amino acid which is converted the protein turnover, protein can be formed, then another sequence will become, or gluconeogenesis, that means protein amino acid converted into a glucose, that is called the gluconeogenesis or neoglucogenesis. That means glucose is come from the other source like amino acid here and also fatty acid. Next is the energy production. For the energy, amino acid get the energy production, and in case of the fat cell also fat will become. That means you take amino acid, protein will become, glucose will become, energy and fat cell will become. How does the body use the protein and function of the protein? Provides the structural and mechanical support, and all the structure, it is the building blocker of the body, and the maintenance of the tissue, body tissue, all the body tissue, it will be maintained by the protein. If sometimes repair, sometimes strengthening, and function as an enzyme as well as the hormone. Basically all these enzymes are the protein, and all enzymes are used for the metabolism, and metabolism get the energy, and so enzyme is a protein. That means all these metabolic function done by the protein, and some peptide hormones like পেপটাইড হরমোন, কে বলতে পারে একটা পেপটাইড হরমোনের নাম বলো তো? অল হরমোনস আর নট প্রোটিন, বাট সাম হরমোন আর পেপটাইডস। একটা হরমোন প্রোটিনের নাম, প্রোটিনস হরমোন, কে বলতে পারে? তাড়াতাড়ি বলো, দেখা যাচ্ছে। হ্যালো,
ইনসুলিন হবে স্যার।
ইনসুলিন। হাউ মেনি নাম্বার অফ অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড প্রেজেন্ট ইন দ্য ইনসুলিন? জানো?
জানি না স্যার এটা।
কেন? তারাপীঠের নাম শুনেছো?
হ্যাঁ।
কত নম্বর? আচ্ছা জানো না, এইসব ছেড়ে দাও। টোটাল 51 অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড
বল ট্রাই করব। হ্যাঁ
51 অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড থাকে। ইট কন্টেন এ চেন এন্ড বি চেন, দুটো চেন মিলে টোটাল 51 অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড। এ চেন কন্টেন 21, বি চেন কন্টেন 30 অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড, টোটাল 51 অ্যামাইনো অ্যাসিড। ইট হেল্পস মেইনটেইন দ্য অ্যাসিড বেস ব্যালেন্স। Protein also it acts as a buffering agent, and it's a balance, acid base balance and transport of nutrition. Protein is acts as a transporter, acid the immunoresponse বলেছিলাম last class, antigen and antibody all are the protein, so assist the immunity power by the antigen or antigen passively or directly by the antibody, and serves as a source of energy when are necessary. The role of protein, which works the structural, last class I discussed about the protein plays an important role in the body, including the helping the facility of the muscular contraction and promoting the satiety and appetite control. In case of hungry and others control. And how much protein do you need? Hello, code দিয়েছে?
আচ্ছা একটু স্লো বলুন, একটু স্পিডে বলছেন।
আচ্ছা, যেটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি স্লো স্পিডে বলছি সেটা বলে দিয়েছি, ওই জন্য সেই জন্য শুনছি। হাউ মাচ protein do you need? Healthy and non-pregnant and adult. ঠিক আছে, non-pregnant adult কার ক্ষেত্রে দেখ, it should be consumed enough to replace what is used every day, and the goal is mainly to nitrogen balance. Actually, if the positive nitrogen balance maintained in our body, if the positive nitrogen balance, that means your growth is going on. If the negative nitrogen balance, there may growth is fall. So obviously to maintain the positive nitrogen balance, not in the negative nitrogen balance. It is a balance between the nitrogen entry and exit. If it is balance, that is nitrogen balance. If it is excess, that is nitrogen is excess, that is positive. If it is loss of nitrogen, that is negative nitrogen balance. In case of pregnant women, there is a huge amount of extra protein will be required. So that's why in case of pregnancy, the extra food or extra proteinous food is needed. So in that case, you take care about this. Now female to obviously, but also the male person, when that woman, pregnant woman, especially for this pregnanting and the lactating mother, they are people recovering from the surgery or injury or growing children. In that case, the protein is very very essential and very much more amount is required in that case. Why? In case of pregnancy, pregnant women or people recovering from the surgery, injury or growing children. এই ধরো গ্রোয়িং চিলড্রেন, ধরো এজ 18 বছর পর্যন্ত, তার মধ্যে যদি খাওয়া দাওয়া ঠিক থাকে তাহলে তার ম্যাল নিউট্রিশনে ভুগবে, and should consume enough to build a new tissue. Nitrogen balance and imbalance. The protein intake, a positive nitrogen balance, post and nitrogen excretion. In case of pregnant women, growing children and adolescents and some health athletes tend to be positive nitrogen balance. কাদের ক্ষেত্রে থাকা দরকার পজিটিভ, নাহলে otherwise it will be a problem. Protein intake and equilibrium, that is called the or nitrogen excretion. If the intake মানে and output are the same, that is called the equilibrium. In healthy adult it is typically nitrogen balance, মানে এমনি নরমাল যাদের, আর এদের ক্ষেত্রে সব সময় থাকতে হবে পজিটিভ নাইট্রোজেন ব্যালেন্স এই তিনটে ক্ষেত্রে। and in case of negative nitrogen balance in the individual who are the experiencing in the medical trauma or not eating the healthy diet in the negative nitrogen balance, protein intake and protein excretion is greater, there is a negative nitrogen balance. And not all protein in the created equal, and high quality proteins it digestible and content, দেখো all these protein not in the same types of, it is high quality protein, sometimes low quality and medium quality. And high quality protein, suppose you take high quality protein but it is not digested, then another problem will become. It is digestible, contain all the essential amino acid and provide the sufficient protein to synthesize and non-synthesized amino acids. It helps aware of the amino acid score, limiting protein and protein digestibility, corrected amino acid score, PDCAAS, and biological value of protein, rate absorption and retention of the protein. And quality, protein quality, complete protein contain all 9 essential 9 নয় এটা 10 হয়ে যাবে, 10 essential amino acid, usually animal source are complete protein and it's considered a higher quality. And incomplete protein low in one or more essential amino acid, usually plant source, তার মানে animal protein is much more better than the plant protein. Protein need is the 10 to 35% of the total daily intake of calorie, adult over 18 and 0.1 calorie. The American College of Sports and Medicine, the American Digestive Association, and the others experts advocate 50 to 100% more protein for the competitive athletes and participating in the endurance exercise, resistant exercise, and typically this population eats more and or they never the additional protein. Quick review দরকার নেই. Best source of protein. Protein are abundant in the dietary source, meats, poultry, meats alternatives such as dried beans, peanuts, butter, and soybeans. And 3 servings of cooking meat, poultry, and the fish provide the 21 to 25 grams of proteins, about 7 grams per ounce, and their size of the decade of the cuts and adequate amount of the 1 meal. The base source of the protein, these are the source of proteins in the grains, vegetables, fruits, milk, and the meat and the beans. These are the graphical representation of protein source. And protein bars, they are the mark converted into the protein tables and can be highly saturated fats and the sugars and low in fibers, expensive, and peanut butter sandwich in the portable and lower in the saturated fats and the sugar, higher fibers than some protein bars. Protein bar are the marked as a convenient and portable. And eating too much protein, যদি যদি মনে করে বেশি করে প্রোটিন খাবে প্রবলেম হবে, দেখো কোন কোন প্রোটিন, তো ভেরি কেয়ারফুল, বি টেক কেয়ার অ্যাবাউট দিস অ্যাওয়ারনেস, দ্য ইট ইজ ইটিং টু মাচ অ্যাবাউট অফ প্রোটিন। ভাবলে যে ঠিক আছে প্রোটিনের আমার দরকার, একটু বেশি করে খেয়ে নেই, অথবা বিয়ে বাড়িতে স্নেহ গিয়েছিল, মনে করলো যে প্রচুর দিয়েছে আরামসে খেয়ে নেওয়া যেতে পারে, বাট খেলে কি প্রবলেম হবে, একদিন খেলে হয় না, বাট কন্টিনিউ টেক দিস প্রোটিন, risks of heart disease, risks of kidney stone, risks of calcium loss from the bone, and risks of colon cancer, displacement of the other nutrient rich, and decrease preventing of food. So these are the risk factors for eating too much amount of protein: heart, kidney, calcium loss, colon cancer, and other nutrient rich disease preventing foods. Okay, so be careful, be take care. That's why always in the balanced, not only the food but also in your life, it will be balanced in every set of corner. যদি ব্যালেন্স করে চলতে পারো তাহলে you can gainer and you can satisfied, otherwise it will be unsatisfactory and finally depression will be come. So balanced থাকাটাই হচ্ছে খুব দরকার, not only protein, not only the other foods, not only your life, সব ক্ষেত্রে adjust and the balance. ইটিং টু লিটল প্রোটিন, যদি খুব কম খাও তাহলে কি প্রবলেম হবে? অ্যাকচুয়ালি কেউ খেতে চায় না কম, কিন্তু যার অভাব, দ্য ক্রাইসিস, স্কেয়ারসিটি বা প্রভার্টি, at that condition they take the too little food and protein rich malnutrition PEM. Last class I discussed about the protein used for the energy rather than it together other function of the body, and other important nutrient are the short supply and more prevalent in infants and children. In case of 17,000 children's die each day as a result. কারণ 17,000 লোক মারা যায়, ছেলে মারা যায় ডিউ টু দ্য malnutrition of protein or PEM, protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে দেখো কত কম খেয়ে আমরা, কেউ বেশি খেয়ে মারা যাচ্ছি, আবার কেউ না খেতে পেয়ে প্রায় ডেইলি 17,000 লোক মারা যাচ্ছে, 17,000 বাচ্চা মারা যাচ্ছে। সো তুমি যদি একটু তোমার এক্সেস খাবারটা ওদের দিয়ে দাও, তাহলে কিন্তু 17,000-এর অন্তত একজন অন্তত বেঁচে যাবে। ঠিক আছে প্রীতি, একজনকে অন্তত করো। হ্যালো ম্যাডাম, গুড মর্নিং। বলছি 10 মিনিট একটু লেট করো, হ্যাঁ 10 মিনিট। না না আমি ক্লাস করাচ্ছি, একটু মানে দেরিতে, ঠিক আছে 10 মিনিট পরে জয়েন করো, 10-15তে করে দাও। ওকে, হ্যাঁ। তো টু লিটল যদি হয় সেক্ষেত্রেও প্রবলেম, টু হাই হলেও প্রবলেম। সেটার থেকে বেটার যার আছে বেশি, কম খাও, ঠিক আছে, দিতে হবে না কাউকে। যদি না দাও, দিলে ভালো হতো, তাহলে দুটো ব্যালেন্স হয়ে যেত, তোমার বেশিটা ওর কাজে লেগে যেত, তুমিও বেশি খেয়ে মারা যেতে না আর ও কম খেয়েও মারা যেত, দুজনের মধ্যে ব্যালেন্স থাকতো। বাট মানুষ তো আমরা স্বার্থপর, সেই জন্য আমরা যে যদি থাকে দেই না কাউকে। কিন্তু যদি করা যায় ব্যালেন্স, তাহলে ইট উইল বি বেটার ফর সোসাইটি। Next, too little protein without adequate protein, the cell lining of the GI tract, and the most are not sufficient replaced as through slug up, and the digestive function is inhibited, absorption of food is reduced, intestinal bacteria get into the blood and causes septicemia. This is the another most actually previously in the earlier days the septicemia, a very dangerous disease, in the death may be occur. And the immune system is compromised due to the malnutrition. So in case of current, immunity is developed due to the antigen, and antigen is a protein and antibody also protein. The protein যদি অভাব থাকে তাহলে অ্যান্টিজেন অ্যান্টিবডি কম হবে, এনজাইম ফরমেশন কম হবে, ইনসুলিন ফরমেশন মানে পেপটাইড হরমোন ফরমেশন কম হবে, তো আলটিমেটলি সব প্রবলেম তো অ্যারাইজ করবে। কি প্রবলেম অ্যারাইজ করবে দেখে নাও, দুটো প্রবলেম, টাইপস অফ PEM, protein energy malnutrition. First one is the kwashiorkor স্পেলিংটা ভালো করে মনে রাখবে, kwashiorkor। ফার্স্ট PEM, প্রোটিন এনার্জি malnutrition এর জন্য দুটো ডিজিজ হয়, একটা kwashiorkor and serve as a protein deficiency generally result for the diet the high in the grains and the deficient in the protein. And what are the symptoms? Last class some student had asked me what are the symptoms and come to the kwashiorkor and how it will be management. Though you can see this is the structure of kwashiorkor. Another is a Kawasaki, and there's different disease, same types of, but this is kwashiorkor and another is a Kawasaki. Different types of disease. The symptom range from the edema in the legs, papa sab phule jabe, feet and stomach, dekho petta phule royeche, edema in the legs, feet and stomach, muscle tone and strength diminish, muscle je tone, rigidity, movability all are diminished. Hair is brittle, মানে hair ভঙ্গুর মানে ভেঙে যাবে, চাইলে গুঁড়ো হয়ে যেতে পারে, easy to pull out, ইজিলি তুমি তুলে নিতে পারো, appears pale, sad and apathetic, and prone to infection, rapid heart rate অনেক ফাস্টার হবে, কারণ কি ম্যালনিউট্রিশনে ভুগছে, তো হার্ট চাইবে তাড়াতাড়ি করে এনার্জি সাপ্লাই দেওয়ার জন্য, হার্ট ফাংশনটা ফাস্টার হয়ে যাচ্ছে, কিন্তু দেবে কথা, থাকলে তো দেবে, চেষ্টা করলেও হবে কি, যেমন তোমার হাতে টাকা নেই, তুই ছটফট করছিস, কি পাবি কোথায়? এক্সেস ফ্লুইড ইন দ্য লাংস, নিউমোনিয়া, সেপ্টিসেমিয়া, water and electrolyte imbalance. So these are the problem associated with the kwashiorkor. Actually, there is a very, very peculiar and very, very fatal types of symptoms will become, and finally death may be occur. Another is the marasmus. These are the structure. Just a bone cage, rib cage will be seen. This is called the marasmus. Very sad, and result in the কেউ আমরা খাওয়ার পাই আর ফেলে দেই, নষ্ট করি, তাই না? And the deficiency in the kilocalories, failure of the emaciated appearance and weakness appear in the appetites, and many cannot stand with support looks like a old people এর মতো লাগবে অনেক কম বয়সে। Hair is thin, dry, lax in and body temperature and blood pressure is very low and prone to dehydration, infection. দেখো there is the basic difference, symptomatic difference between the Kwashiorkor and the marasmus. Here in the they are swelling and here is a very thin and old ages. It's quite better, but all are very very fatal in her or his life. Marasmic Kwashiorkor. Another is when simultaneously two disease and the marasmic Kwashiorkor. The choice of deficiency in the kilocalorie and protein have an edema in the leg and arms and have a skin and bone appears. With the treatment with the edema, substantial appearance and becomes like a much more to the marasmus. And what are the management? Treatment, how to treatment or management of this? The medical and nutritional treatment can dramatically reduce the mortality rate. Mortality মানে মৃত্যুর দিকে যেটা যায় সেটা ড্রামাটিক্যালি চেঞ্জ হয়ে যেতে পারে যদি শুধুমাত্র খাওয়া দাওয়া দিয়ে যায় আর মেডিকেল সেই সঙ্গে খাবার দিলেই তো হবে না, কারণ যে কন্ডিশন আছে শুধু ফুড দিলেই ডাইজেশন হবে না, তার সাথে ডাইজেস্টিভ এনজাইম এন্ড আদার্স অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড মেডিসিন দিতে হবে, তবেই এটা ইট উইল বি ট্রিটমেন্ট এন্ড শুড বি কেয়ারফুলি এন্ড স্লোলি ইমপ্লিমেন্টেড। স্টেপ 1, অ্যাড্রেস লাইফ থ্রেটেনিং ফ্যাক্টর এন্ড সিভিয়ার ডিহাইড্রেশন, মানে জল প্রচুর পরিমাণে খেতে হবে, ফ্লুইড and nutrition imbalance যে কারণে হয়। and step 2, restore the depleted tissue and gradually provide the nutritional dense kilocalories and high quality protein. And step 3, transition to the foods introduced into the physical activity. The treatment for the protein দরকার নেই, vegetarian diet. The next day I think I thought this slide is not covered by today. Another slide also. কতক্ষণ আছে, টাইম আছে, হয়ে যাবে হয়তো 53 হয়ে যাবে, আই থিংক হয়ে যাবে। নেক্সট, vegetarian diet. The people who are vegetarian diet for the variety of reasons, sometimes মুনি ঋষি মানে যারা তারা they are not taking the food protein, animal proteins, they take the vegetarian diet, but vegetarian diet quite better than the animal protein, মানে তারা we are the herbivorous, carnivorous type of, but vegetarian diet it is better. There are vegetarian or vegetarian with ethical, regional, environmental and health. People choose the vegetarian diet for the variety of reasons due to ethical, মুনি ঋষি তার একটা পার্টিকুলার এথিক্স আছে যে কারণে সে অ্যানিমাল ডায়েট, অ্যানিমাল ফুড প্রোটিন নেয় না। দ্য রিলিজিয়াস, সামটাইমস সাম ধর্মের কিছু ব্যাপার আছে, কোন ধর্মের লোক মানুষ মানে প্রোটিন ডায়েট অ্যানিমাল প্রোটিন খায়, কেউ খায় না, যেমন ইভেন দ্য মুসুর ডাল ইট ইজ এ ভেরি প্রোটিন রিচ ডায়েট, সেই জন্য এটাকে আমিষ বলা হয়। and sometimes the environmental factor and the health condition depend upon this. There are 4 factors can choose the vegetarian diet, and vegetarian must consume the adequate amount of the dietary foods. And at LV there were ছোটবেলা একটা ছিল যে protein serving and foods and supply plants, meals, oil. Next, the many types of vegetarian likes lacto-vegetarian, lacto-ovo-vegetarian, ovo-vegetarian and vegan and semi-vegetarian eats and avoid grains, vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts and dairy foods, avoids meat, fish, poultry and eggs. Actually lacto-vegetarian, actually lacto, legumes and lacto-ovo-vegetarian, grain, vegetables, fruits, legume, seeds, nuts, dairy foods, eggs and meat, fish and poultry. Ovo-vegetarian, grain, vegetarian, fruits, legumes. So these are the chart you given it, and I will supply to it, and in your YouTube it will be seen. The vegetarian diet in the occasionally include the meat, fish, poultry, but meat, fish avoid in the occasionally semi-vegetarian, but generally they avoid meat, fish and poultry. Protein benefits, a potential benefit, risks and the vegetarian diet. Sometimes it is some risks and sometimes it will be benefits of the vegetarian diet, reduce risks of, মানে যে রিস্ক গুলো প্রোটিন ডায়েটের জন্য হয়, হার্ট ডিজিজ, ক্যান্সার, ব্লাড প্রেসার, স্ট্রোক, ওবেসিটি এন্ড ডায়াবেটিস। তার মানে যারা কম্পারেটিভলি ভেজিটেরিয়ান তাদের ক্ষেত্রে এই রিস্ক ফ্যাক্টর গুলো অনেক কম। আর পোটেনশিয়াল রিস্ক ফর দ্য ভেজিটেরিয়ান ডায়েট, ইট ইজ দ্য আন্ডার কনজাম্পশন অফ দ্য সার্টেন নিউট্রিয়েন্ট, প্রোটিন এন্ড ভিটামিন B12, এই ডেফিসিয়েন্সি হতে পারে। তবে বেটার আমার মনে হয় ইন কেস অফ ভেজিটেরিয়ান প্রোটিন they are better health condition than the actual non-vegetarian. The vegetarian food grains and by the pyramidal the fats are very low, and the fruits then the vegetables much more, and the legumes, nut and other protein rich diet is higher percentage, and the grain is the main percentage. Most of the higher percentage the grain, then legumes, then vegetables, then fruits, then fats. Soya is the increasing the popularity in the United States. Soya means soybeans. Soybean is such a food which is vegetables and which is plant source, but it is a very high rich of protein, and this high quality protein source, and low in the saturated fat. This is very important, low in saturated fat. If you take saturated fat, that is problem in the heart disease, and the contain the isoflavonoids, and this is very helpful to the different types of disease and can prevent the disease. And phytoestrogen may reduce the risk of the heart disease, and some research suggests that it may be reduce the risk of cancer, and some concern it may be promote the breast cancer, some concern, but most of the case the cancer will be reduced by the soybean. So the soybean is a very good food for a alternative source of protein of like animal, fish, fruits and meats, and those are very pure people. I think they take it very much more. The quick vegetarian diets and the riboflavin, vitamin B12 and vitamin A, omega-3 fatty acid. Last, in case of chemistry of lipid, I think discuss with the omega-3 fatty acid and protein, iron, zinc and calcium, and putting it together and putting it all together is best plan for the healthy diets, and it abundance grains and vegetarian food is okay. Thank you very much for listening the lecture. If any question, please ask me, or if you like me, please like me in my YouTube channels, or any question please in the chat box or in the YouTube channel in the comment box. Thank you once again for joining the early morning session. Thank you all. So please ask me the question regarding this protein and amino acid. হ্যালো, 10 মিনিট আমার হাতে আছে এখন।